Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to blast through all CSWIP 3.1 exam questions. This is your fast track revision session. I'll read each question, give you the 4 options, pause for 5 seconds, then reveal the correct answer with a quick explanation. Grab a pen, note your scores, and let's go. Question 1. You would object when you see manual metal arc electrodes, stripped of flux, being used as filler wire for TIG welding because a. It is too expensive. B. The wire would be too thick. C. The metal composition may be wrong. D. The wire is too short. Answer C. The metal composition may be wrong. MMA electrodes are designed for SMAW and bare electrode may have a different composition to TIG filler wire. Using them can cause weld defects and metal composition may be wrong. Question 2. Select the non-magnetic alloy from the following. A. 4% chromium molybdenum. B. 12% chromium. C. Austenitic stainless steel. D. 9% nickel steel. Answer C. Austenitic stainless steel. Austenitic stainless steel contains high chromium and nickel, giving it excellent corrosion resistance and non-magnetic properties. Question 3. Hydrogen is excluded from the weld metal in order to prevent the weld from options A. Cracking. B. Cooling slowly. C. Cooling quickly. D. Expanding. Answer A. Cracking. Hydrogen causes hydrogen-induced cold cracking. Trapped hydrogen atoms create internal stress, leading to crack formation. Question 4. Severe porosity in metal arc welds is noticed during open site working. What would you investigate? Options A. Electrode type. B. Power plant type. C. Electrode storage. D. Day temperature. Answer Electrode storage. Porosity is often caused by moisture on electrodes. Improper storage, especially in humid conditions, is the primary suspect. Question 5. To minimize what risk is carbon steel manual metal arc welding preheated? Options A. Scattered porosity. B. Wormhole porosity. C. Parent metal cracking. D. Lack of penetration. Answer C. Parent metal cracking. Preheating reduces the thermal gradient between weld and parent metal, lowering stress and minimizing the risk of cracking. Question 6. Argon gas backing is called for when TIG welding austenitic stainless steel pipe. This is to options A. Prevent oxidation. B. Prevent underbead cracking. C. Prevent porosity. D. Control the penetration bead shape. Answer A. Prevent oxidation. Argon gas displaces oxygen around the weld root, creating an inert environment that prevents oxide formation and protects corrosion resistance. Question 7. What is the reason for a centerline crack in a submerged arc weld bead? A. Usage of a high manganese filler wire. B. Usage of a damp flux. C. Weld bead is deep and narrow. D. Usage of higher voltage than required. Answer C. Weld bead is deep and narrow. A deep, narrow bead creates high stress concentration at the centerline due to uneven heat distribution and rapid cooling, causing centerline cracking. Question 8. Which of the following will result in the most severe effect on the load-bearing capacity of a weld? Options A. Porosity. B. Cracking in the weld area. C. Undercut for fillet welds. D. Lack of fusion defects. Answer B. Cracking in the weld area. Cracks severely compromise weld integrity and can lead to complete failure under load, more dangerous than porosity, undercut, or lack of fusion. Question 9. For a manual metal arc welding project, when hydrogen control is specified, the electrode would normally be options A. Cellulosic. B. Iron oxide. C. Acid. D. Basic. Answer D. Basic electrodes contain calcium carbonate or calcium fluoride which reduce hydrogen content in the weld, preventing hydrogen-induced cracking. Answer C. Stop the operation at once. Cadmium is highly toxic. Welding cadmium-plated materials releases cadmium fumes which cause serious lung and kidney damage. Immediate stop, no exceptions. And that's all 10 CSWIP 3.1 questions covered part 1. How did you score? Drop your result in the comments below, let me know which questions tripped you up. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more welding inspection revision videos, and share this with your study group. Good luck in your exam, you got this. See you in the next one.